Hello students, welcome back to the lesson. Now students, today we are going to start with the word problems related to percentage. In our previous lesson, we have discussed about some simple questions in which you have to find what percent of the given value is this, and we have done some questions of that type. Now today we will be discussing some word problems related to percentage. So let's start with the question. The first question which is given here is, and the question says, what does the question says? Praful earns rupees 24,000 per month. He saves 28% of his salary. So what is the total salary of Praful? Rupees 24,000. Out of this 24,000, he saves 28% of his salary. So what is the percentage of salary saved? 28%. Now what you have to find is how much does he spend every month. So what is the total amount which he is spending every month? So let's find out. Very first we will be writing the things which are given to us. So what is the first value given to us? The total salary. The total salary per month. What is the total salary of Praful every month? Rupees 24,000. This is his total salary every month. After that, how much he saves? He saves 28% of his salary. So I can say that saving percentage. So what percent he saves every month? 28% of salary. Salaries, 28% of the salary he is saving every month. Now in the next statement, let us find out what will be the saving amount. That means how much money he has actually saved. So saving amounts, how much amount he has saved? So that will be actually 28% of salary. What is his salary every month? 28% of salary is 24,000. Understood? So 28% of 24,000. Let's calculate the value. So that will be 28. Removing the sign of percentage, it will become upon 100. 28% can be written as 28 upon 100. At the place of we will put multiply and then 24,000. Simplify two of the zeros. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply 28 with 240. When you will be doing the multiplication, you will get rupees 6720. 6720. That means 6,720 rupees he is saving every month. Out of 24,000 rupees, 6,720 rupees he is saving every month. Now you have to find how much money he spent. So in the next statement, money spent. How you will be finding? If you have to find that how much money he saved, so that will be equals to total salary minus money saved. Then only we will be able to find how much he has spent. So what is the total salary of Praful? 24,000 minus how much he saved every month? He saved rupees 6,720. Now let's subtract 24,000 minus 6,720. So I'll be doing the subtraction here. 24,000 minus 6,720. 0 minus 0, this will become 10, this will become 9 and 3. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 7, 2. This will take a borrow. 13 minus 6, 7 and 1. How much money he spent every month? 17,280. So this is the amount he spent every month, to 17,280 rupees. Clear students? This solution is clear. Total salary 24,000. 28% of the salary is being saved every month. So the money saved every month is rupees 6,720. After that you have to find how much money he spent. So he spent, how you will be finding? Total salary minus the money saved. So 24,000 minus 6,720 and the answer is 17,280 rupees. Understood? Let's move to the next question. Now our next question, the second question says, Manju's weight is 14% more than Anju's weight. So there are two ladies, Manju and Anju, and it is said that Manju's weight is 14% more than Anju's weight. So Manju is having a weight which is 14% more than the weight of Anju. If Anju's weight is 63 kg, if the weight of Anju is 63 kg, then find Manju's weight. Then what will be the weight of Manju if Manju is 14% heavier than Anju? Right, students? So let's start the solution. And very first, writing up the statement which is given here, what are the things given to you? Very first, Anju's weight is given to us. So Anju's weight is equals to 63 kg. What is the weight of Anju? 63 kg. Then what is the relation between Manju's weight and Anju's weight? 14% more than Anju's weight. So here I can write that Manju's weight is equals to Anju's weight. So the weight of Anju plus, why it is plus? Because Manju is 14% heavier than Anju, plus 14% of Anju's weight. So that will give you the value of Manju's weight. So Manju's weight is actually Anju's weight, that means 63 kg, plus the increase in weight which is 14% of Anju's weight, that means 63 kg. So let's put the value. What is the weight of Anju here? Anju's weight is 63 kg. Then plus 14% of Anju's weight. Anju's weight means 63. So 63 plus 14% of 63 will give the weight of Manju. It will give us Manju's weight. So let's solve the equation now. So 63 plus, solving the value here. So that will be 14 upon 100 multiplied by 63. Now 63 plus 63 into 14, that will be 882 upon 100. Now converting 882 upon 100 into decimals, you'll get 8.82. Add the value 63 plus 8.82 kg and the answer will come out as 71.82 kg. So as it is given that Manju's weight is 14% more than Anju's weight, means Manju is of 71.82 kg. How we have calculated? Weight of Anju plus 14% of Anju's weight. Weight of Anju is 63 kg and then 14% of his weight, her weight, that means 63 kg. As we have done the calculation, we come out as Manju's weight as 71.82 kg. I hope both the solutions are clear.